Hello guys, in today's video I will discuss how to see your Facebook password. So, for those of you who forgot your Facebook password, you must watch this video until it's finished. The first step is to enter your cell phone settings. The cell phone that I use in this tutorial is an Android smartphone from Realme. After that, you can scroll down until you find Google Settings. Then, open Google Settings, click on Google Account Management. At this stage, you can swipe right and click on the Security menu. After that, scroll down again until you find the Password Manager feature, then click it. In this section, scroll down until you find Facebook account data. After that, you must enter your fingerprint or code to unlock your cell phone password. The last step, click on the eye logo to see the password from your Facebook. For your information, this tutorial will only work if your Facebook is already logged in on your cell phone. This is not a tutorial to reset a forgotten password. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.